Alright, now thanks trust us on the show. What's happening today or tonight, Highway 1 is playing at Club Waida from 10:30 to 11:30. Does it say this is a new local band, Highway 1? Oh, and members affiliated with the years are welcome to Highway 1 tonight. It's an afternoon call 6 Capital Street. Another monster midwinter book fair is being held this weekend at Highlight Uni in Matabara. That's 131 Regent Street, which was recently replaced in an episode of Marae Te Whanawai that has not gone to air yet, but it was filmed about a month ago. It was a weekend with the community and and it was filmed with the crew, and I think they had some getting their memories of Mariah, which will be next. It's going to be back to 100 episodes of Mariah later this year when it goes up. It's on Māori television, and I can't remember the other channel. Anyway, he did that right. Tonight is Easter and it's tonight. It's free Saturday and Sunday to go and explore the book fair. So this is a monster book fair. The book fair is a book fair tonight. Being held at Highway tonight. There's no program that called where the book fair is being held. I think that you can get your shoes on and that sort of thing, possibly. And we booked people's DVDs and other books of the one and Friday evening tonight is the Easter and it's a fair each 4 hours, and as I said, Saturday and Sunday you need to head along and explore the books for free. So to get there, it's like, it's pretty rock west Waikato is happening tomorrow evening at Carlton Event Centre. It's $19 for adults, $20 for students with ID, and it's free for the entire. So free rock west is only nationwide live original music youth event. Now in its 30th year, the series of over 40 events reached audience numbers that exceeded 3,000 each year. Well, it's crazy. Founded in 1989 by music teacher Glenn Common and Pete Rainey, South Free Rock West is now a New Zealand institution. South Free Rock West aims to motivate young musicians to prove their ability and realise the heights they can reach in their music careers, and to encourage their peers to support original New Zealand music. That's quite cool. And the time they do that, there's a little feature for a lot of bands that can perform at this event. So the South Free Rock West, the Wairarapa final is being held at the Carlton Event Centre tomorrow, and it'll be ticketed by everybody. It's $500 to $849, and it kicks off at 7 p.m. and runs until 9:30 p.m. Right. Okay. And once we get to the car, it'll be tomorrow. You can off at 6 p.m. Mount Rose National Wildlife Centre. It's off the Highway 2 and all the Marsden and Mount Rose. So celebrate Marsden Year on the 23rd of June. Celebrate Marsden Year at Kaha from 6 p.m. Enjoy traditional is a bit of a bargain because that includes one fish free at a banquet. So really big. So if yesterday that call tomorrow for 7 p.m. It's time travelers ball. Come and join us for an immersive artistic meet and ask people who not really attend participate in the creative experience of an holistic costume. Music and performance guests will be required to attend the costume from a period of their choosing, past or future. However, this year our theme will be origins. So this year the exhibitors are encouraging you to look back at their own family history for inspiration for the costumes. There will be a rise on the night for those who come closest to imagining lot of it includes materials that money. So this one day class will give you instructions will like things posturing through making your physical stuff from scratch. Also inside the trade which you can finish. The classes are held in Martinborough in the workroom at Graham Sons, which is also found in the specialised in high quality posture for both residential and commercial clients in wide regions. There are only 3 places available for choice, so warm them up to book your spot. $50 deposit required to secure your place and you cancel with notice and they're unable to fill the space then you can get back. Well, I guess if you're keen to learn about upholstery then you'll be keen to hear along so you can call up this number and just say can it's going to help us out and Sunday. So motivation is each. Now it's 06306155 there's a different upholstery 0630695551 or you can email sons.co.nz. They can find and it's Friday and Friday and I've just become sick and I drive from home to work from home drive from here. So I wrap up all my advice to you. It's from Romania. This night, you pretty much run instruments, lights, and lights and lights. And it shows what you start simply starting this and it's solid. It's solid, like you on board. You can do 3 songs, or go for 10 minutes. Give and it's free. We take it during the night. And the end of with a play by Bruce Mason in a comedy version by Raymond Hawthorne. This is going to be at the Trust Theatre at Redhill College next Friday, so it's 29 from 7 p.m. And the wild limbed Furbo. The Furbo does was the wonder of life on a perfect beach and everyone in New Zealand during a storm. It's a world of magic and transformation where anything can happen and miracles are possible. So, this is a Redhill College performance. So, you're going to Redhill and St. Matthew's Senior College presents this is their edition. Next Friday from 7 at 7 p.m. End of the golden weather. It's at the Trust Theatre at Redhill College, and you need to or you can click a button on the website. And senior citizens $15 and students $10. Right. And that's all we've got for this week. So I guess the thing to do is to go to the Fair in Martin. I think that could be fun. We've got a little bit of what's the low that you can say? Doesn't have the low. What else is this? Frosty is okay. Alright, the situation spreads from New Zealand on the Tasman Sea and moves north tomorrow as the weak front moves over the South Island. Radar pressure forecast today. Wind clouds with 1 or 2 showers about the coast. Then becoming fine from the afternoon, light winds. Tomorrow, mainly fine start. A few showers about the Tararua District in the afternoon. Northwest strengthening in the evening. Sunday, mainly fine strong northerlies gale in both places. Now, today in Marston, morning cloud and becoming fine light winds. It sounds not degrees high. Tomorrow in Marston, morning low of -1 and high 13. And following with a frosty start, not whistle out in the morning. Some sunshine, so that's good. And then Sunday, there's a morning low of 4 and high 15, so that's a bit more. Fine strong gusting northwest winds. Looking at the lower part of the island today, past the north sunny, 11. Part of moves sunny, 11. Wellington, pretty sunny,